She had one last chance to turn her life around, but in Judge Boyd's courtroom, second chances aren't given twice. From gang ties to gun charges, Jasmine Gago stood before Judge Boyd knowing this decision could seal her fate, and it did. What happened next left the entire room stunned.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, who's for the state on this? It's criminal trial division.
I can do it, Judge.
Thank you. All right, the court is calling 2021 CR 2967, State versus Gloria Marie Karazales. Can I have parties announced?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Horse Stoppard for the defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Gloria Marie Karazales?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Gloria Marie Karazales who's placed on community supervision in 2021 CR 2967 for the offense of evading arrest detention with a vehicle on April 28, 2021 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 5. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Gloria Marie Karazales, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of December, January, February, March 2025 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
Sure.
The state will waive and abandon the remaining violations, Your Honor.
All right, there are other violations?
The state does see a supplement.
All right, so did you review the supplemental motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney?
No, ma'am. I only saw one violation.
Okay. All right, did you review that with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
And it appears that the state is only proceeding on the violation that you were aware of. They're waiving any other violations. Do you understand?
Yes.
So the court is not going to consider any other violations, only the violation that you've pled true for if you wish to continue with your plea of true. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 5 years in prison and up to a $1,500 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is not, Your Honor. We're going open.
And state, what are you recommending?
The state is recommending you grant the state's motion, revoke probationer, but reform the judgment for 3 years, Your Honor.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, we were pleading true. It's kind of a unique situation in this case, Your Honor, with an explanation. I think our first choice would be to just deny the revocation and terminate her unsatisfactorily. If I can give a little background, Judge.
Yeah.
And what I didn't have when we appeared before. When she pled into probation on this case and she was granted probation, she was in Bexar County Jail, but she had a blue warrant. And so after she pled on this case, her parole was revoked. And then she was in continuous custody until I have a document here, and it's just from the TDC, and which it also shows that she was in custody, Your Honor.
Any objection to the court reviewing the document?
None from the state, Your Honor.
All right, you may continue.
And so, Your Honor, in speaking with Ms. Karazales, she did say that she did meet with a probation officer who came to the Bexar County Jail, but they were kind of perplexed as to the reason why she pledged probation when she had an outstanding blue warrant and parole issues.
Usually there's a plea because they think if they were given probation on this and some sort of help, then maybe parole won't revoke them. Sometimes parole will look at that, not revoke them. Sometimes parole will.
In my conversations with Ms. Karazales, she stated to me that when she did meet with probation, they had represented to her that if she got revoked, then they would seek to modify the probation to
Unsatisfactory discharge.
Obviously that did not occur, Your Honor, and I don't know the veracity of that situation or not, Your Honor. I don't. But you know, she's presenting herself here to the court right now. She's admitting that once she was released from TDC, that she did not report. So it's just a unique situation. I mean, there is a situation in which there's confirmation that she was actually in prison. This is not a situation in which she just absconded and ignored her obligations to the court, Your Honor. There's not there's I guess it's about 8 months or so left for the term of probation, Your Honor. And I think it's just that she was looking for some little reprieve from the court so that she could either continue on probation or considered terminating her unsatisfactorily so that she can go ahead and actually kind of hit truth and get on with forward with putting this situation behind her, Your Honor. And I think she also wanted to explain some of the things about the circumstances and also trainings and things that she has received since she was first put on probation, Your Honor.
All right, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Gloria Marie Karazales.
All right, counsel, you may proceed.
Now, you had some things that you wanted to tell the judge about what you've done to change yourself since you were put on probation.
Yes, I did the cognitive thinking. I got 2 trades. I got my license in mechanic. I got my MBAC. I got my GED. And I took every class that I could to change my life. I got full custody of my son. And I just had a setback. I had a job. I was doing everything I was supposed to. I was taking care of my child. I was paying my bills. And I just want to get back to that. He goes back to school on the 18th. And I've already missed so much time with him. So it doesn't matter if it's probation or if it's termination, because I'm going to do it regardless. And that's really all I want to say.
Is there anything else that you wanted to tell the judge about?
And I mean, if it's the 3 years, I did the 3 years, and that's when I changed my life. And right now, being in custody, I'm trying to get to more classes. I'm just trying to do what I can to change my life. And like I said, if it's probation, I'll take it and I'll do it. If it's discharge, I'm gonna do it. It really doesn't matter to me. I just want to get on with my life.
All right, so any questions? I'm sorry, state.
None from the state, thank you.
So you've taken these classes, but what have you learned?
I've learned about my anger. I've learned about the way I was thinking and how I hurt people. And I've taken full responsibility for myself and my actions that I learned. I learned to be productive. And if I would have known that I could have just came here, I would have. And I didn't know that. But I mean, there's no reason why I should be in this situation. There's really no reason why, except that I broke the law, and I'm just ready to take responsibility.
Probation, what is your recommendation? Any objection to the court review and the court summary?
None from the state.
No, Your Honor.
But here's my question, where have you been?
Where have I been with my son?
Yeah, because I mean, the thing about it is you were released on probation, according to this, November 17th. I'm sorry, released on parole, November 17th, 2024. And after that release, people have been trying to contact you. And what I can tell you is, I remember first starting out, probation wouldn't do all of this.
The person that I was on the probation at, I left that situation, and he's in custody right now for shooting me for leaving. So he wasn't telling me anything.
All right, and who is this person?
James Oviedo, I have a no contact order with him.
I'm sorry, James who?
Oviedo,
How do you spell the last name?
Oviedo. And he wasn't letting me know that probation was contacting me. Nothing. He didn't let me know anything.
And when did this shooting occur?
It occurred a month ago, or like a month and a half ago. I went to go talk to him and get the rest of my stuff. And as I was leaving, he was trying to keep me there. And when I was walking away, he shot me. And I went ahead and went to the hospital.
All right, and what's his date of birth?
It's April 12, 91.
All right, I'm going to think about this for a moment. Just give us a moment. Does anybody want to check into her story with this James Oveda?
The state is confused. Was that the probation officer or like who this gentleman is?
He was the one that I was on probation at his house.
That is the residence where you were staying. So your probation had to, he's not your probation officer. This was a suitor.
Yes.
And I guess probation was going there.
All right. Just have a seat. We're going to unpack these bags, okay? Just give us a moment. Just have a seat. All right, so probation. What is probation's recommendation with regards to this? They say that she is truthful.
Judge, have to go just based on the court summary. She was let out of TDC in November. She never reported to probation. The court summary indicates revocation. She is supposed to expire April of 2026. I defer to the court.
Okay.
Judge, if I could do that, I guess it's just from what I'm observing, it's that has a number of struggles and she continues to, now that she is a victim or alleged victim in an aggravated assault case, it just continues that these problems that she has had to try to overcome and endure, Your Honor. And I think in speaking with her, Your Honor, that when she was in TDC, that she tried to utilize to maximize the time to try to improve herself.
All right, let me ask you this, because it says in the court summary that she was in felony drug court. So did she successfully complete felony drug court? I don't think so. That's why she's here.
I was in drug court when I was in my, I think 18, 19. I wasn't ready to change. I didn't,
Oh, I see that's from 2010. That's
Yeah.
before you were placed on probation.
I was about to say, Your Honor, I didn't inquire about that because I saw that in the probation report, but it is from 2010, so.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court would deny the motion. And continue her on probation. There's to be alternate amend conditions to the following. No driving without a valid license and insurance being presented to probation. There's going to be field visits one time per month until further notice. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Previous conditions of employment, and I'm going to ask for employment within 30 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There'll be random UAs, TAP evaluation, out of custody follow recommendations. And then, of course, the regular reporting by Zoom or in person. And defensive driving course. Probation, is there anything else?
The original conditions indicate she needed an ignition interlock. How long are you giving her to get the ignition interlock?
I'm on the bus. I'm gonna be taking the bus.
I was about to say, I don't.
All right, so it's gonna be ignition interlock or a portable monitoring device within 30 days of release. And she can only have the portable alcohol monitoring device if she provides an affidavit of non-driving and no other vehicles at the residence. All right, is there anything else, probation?
Okay.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
How do I get the affidavit for the,
Oh, your attorney will speak to you concerning that.
okay, and one more thing, because I do got full custody of my son, I was trying to work towards getting my own place. How do I do the pay it forward?
Oh,
program?
probation will speak to you about that.
Okay.
Yes. All right. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.